We are driving to the Hoover Dam. From our hotel, it's a 2.5 hours drive. My husband did all the driving. Kudos to him. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to not miss any future videos. We are here. We made it safe and sound. Can't wait to check this whole place out. Underground water. Can you guys hear that? Listen. Now tell me this view isn't amazing. It was so amazing that we took a picture of this view and printed a canvas and placed it in our beautiful home wall. Now look at this.